Hello class, welcome back to our online discussion in this course thesis writing. Once again, this is your instructor Jason Cano. So in this video, we are going to discuss on how to put the page number in the proper section. So you need to submit one file only with the proper format of the page number. So one of the common problems that you will encounter if you will put page number in one file, what you have put here in the first page will also be formatted in the last page, which is not the right format according to BISU unified format. Because for example, in the preliminary pages, just like here, we will use a Roman numeral. Instead of number 2, we will put double I, okay, Roman numeral page number. But for the pages in the chapters here, we need to put Arabic numeral as what we have practice. Page 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 10. So we were going to explore the MS Word. So for example, if we will put a page here, if we will put page, for example, at the top of the page, we'll put 1 here. So this is the cover page. The second one, there is no page here. So if we will put also page number, we have 2. Page 1, 2, 3, and then the rest of the paper. We have page 50. So according to BISU unified format, there is no page number in the cover page. For example, if we will delete this one also has no page number. So if we will delete this, what will happen to the rest of the page? It also deleted. So what we are going to do, another example, if we will put page number here as a Roman numeral, format that, will format as a Roman numeral. So for example, you have a Roman numeral page here, like a double I, which is number 2, triple I, which is the number 3. And then for example, if we will move to the chapters, in the chapters it must be Arabic numeral. So what will happen if we will change this one? We will change that one to change the format to Arabic numeral. This is Arabic numeral. If we will click that one, we will check the chapter. So it changed to Arabic numeral. But the problem is, in the preliminary pages, the Roman numeral is also changed. So what we are going to do, and especially in chapters, as you can observe here, it must be page number 1, I mean here, page number 2, but it is continuous, it is page number 10 because the previous page we have page 1 to 3. So that is the problem if we will put a single file with different page format and page numbering. So we will troubleshoot that problem. So what we are going to do is, first we need to put section in different section. Again, just for a recap, this format, as we can observe, title, name of the college, name of the campus or university, and then the address and the date. Okay, as you can observe, there is no name of the authors. That will be in the next cover page. Okay, we have list of the authors and also the word, the partial fulfillment, etc. So as you can observe, there are 2 cover page in BISU unified format. This is number 1 and this is for number 2, because this part will be the cover page in the hardbound. Okay, And then this cover page is when you open the first cover of the manuscript. So for example, this is just a bond paper. Okay, this is a bond paper. This is the cover of the manuscript. Since the Baisu are using a color blue hardbound, so this is the color blue page, and this is for the bond paper, so it is the white page. Okay, meaning the cover page must have no page number here. So this is one section, and also this is for the preliminary pages, which is also another section because we will put a Roman numeral number here. And then for the chapters, we need to also add another section because we will use here a Arabic numeral page number. So we need to put different sections. So what you are going to do is you need to double click here at the header, double click the header, and then you need to go to layout. Once you click the layout, you need to click the bricks. So we cannot able to click the bricks because we double click the header. Okay, that is one common problem. What we are going to do is to click the cursor in the first part of the second section. Click on the first part of the second section. Since this is the first section and this is the second section, we need to click in the left side of the first letter or the first part. Okay, we need to click on this part, click layout, and click bricks. After clicking the bricks, click next page. Once we have clicked that, it separates with the other section. For example, if we will double click here, you can see here section 1, and then here we can read here section 2. Okay, so that means you've done the right part. Then we need to put also another section in chapter. So here in chapter 1, since the preliminary pages have a Roman numeral page number and the chapters needs to have a Arabic numeral number, we need to also add another section. So we have section 2 here, so it must be section 3. Again, what you are going to do, click on this part, okay, in the first part, and then you need to click layout, bricks, and then next page. So if we will click this one, this is section 3. So you can observe here section 3, and this is section 2. So that is the first part. We need to bricks the different part or section of the manuscript. Section 1, this is the cover page, which is the blue color, which is the really cover of the manuscript. And then the next cover page, this is a white bond paper. This is another section because this is the the Roman numeral page number. And then you also have another section, section 3 would be the section of the chapters because we will use here Arabic numeral. So this is for section 3. Now we will put the page number. Since there is no page number here, we need to skip that. So we also have section 2 here. So we need to, since this is also have no page number, we will proceed to page number 2 in the second section. Page number 2 in the second section. So what we are going to do is to put we need to double click the header or footer. We need to double click here in this part and then click page number, and then we need to format this. Since this is for Roman numeral, this is Arabic numeral, so we need to format to Roman numeral. And then let's start with the page 1 or letter I. Once we click that, Once we click that, it is also already formatted as a Roman numeral. So we need to put the page number. Click again, page number, click top of page, and then the right side of the page, top right side. So once we click that, you can observe there's no page number here, which is check. There's also page number here, check. So let's start with the page number 2 in the approval sheet. You can also page number 2, or in the Roman numeral, that is double I. So as we can observe here, page number 5, page number 6, page number 7, page number 8 for list of tables, and then for chapter 1, as you can observe here, there is no page, which is right. Okay, but the problem is in page number 2, because this is page number 1. In page number 2, instead of number 2, the number here is number 10. So we need to reset it. Okay, because we will use this as a page number 1, and this is for page number 2. So what we are going to do, since this is the section 3, this is the first part of the section, so we need to reset it. What you are going to do is to double check this, double click this number 10, and then click link to previous. As you can observe here, this is highlighted, means it is linked to previous pages. That is why it is number 10. So what we're going to do is to unlink it. Okay, so what you're going to do is just click the link to previous. Okay, so what we're going to do is to format this again. Highlight, click page number, change format, start at 1. Okay, please double check, it must be Arabic numeral, this one. Start at page 1, click OK. So you can observe here, this is the right format again, the Roman numeral numbers in the preliminary pages. And then for the first part of the section 3 in the chapters, there's no page number. That is the right format. So as you can observe, once we unlink to the previous page, it becomes number 2 or page number 2. It is right. Page number 3, and then again, according to Vice Unified format, in the every chapter, first part of the chapter, there must be no page number, just like this one in chapter 1. Meaning in chapter 2, there must also no page numbers. So we will double check it. So in page number 2, as we can observe, there is a page number 15. What we are going to do is to put another section. Okay, the section 3 is for section 1, 2, and 3. So what we're going to do, we need to separate the section every chapter. Okay, so what we're going to do is same thing with the previous one. Just click on this part, the first part. The cursor we need to put in the left side of letter C, which is the first part. And then click layout, and then bricks again, and then click next page. Once we click that, the page number is deleted. This is number 14, this is 15, is hidden, and then this is 16. So what happened is that it reformat into 2, just like in the previous pages. What you are going to do is same thing, because this is a section 4. You need to highlight this one, page number, click format page number, start with, okay, we will just have a review. This is page 14, so this is page 15. Though this is page 16, but this is another section, we need to change to page 15, not 16. Starts at 15. Once we click that, we will have a review. 14, 15, and it is hidden, and then it is 16, right? And also for chapter 3, we need also to change this one. We need to erase this one. But if we will erase this one, everything will also be deleted. So what we're going to do is to put again another section. Click on this part, click layout, click bricks, and then click next page. Once we click that, it is deleted. The problem is it is page 16, which is not right, because in this page this is 23, so it must be 24, and this is 25. What we're going to do, same thing, you need to highlight this one, click page number, click format. What is the page? That since that previous is page 23, so it must be page 24. Once we click that, it is automatically changed. So this is the page 23 in the chapter 2. So it must be 24. Page 24 is hidden because this is the first part of the chapter. And then this is page 25. Again, 23, 24, then 25. So this is the right way in formatting the page number in one file. So let's have a review. In the first part, which is the color blue, which is the outmost or the rear cover page of the manuscript, the blue color, there is no page number. Only the title of the study, college, the name of the university, and then the address and the date. Okay, that is the first cover page, no page number. In the second cover page, there's still no page number, and then this is found when we open the manuscript, once we open this first cover page. So this is the bond paper, this is the cover of the manuscript, or just like a book, cover of the book. Once we open this one, we will have this one. This is a bond paper, no cover page. We can find the title, the thesis presented to the faculty, blah blah blah, and we also have the impartial fulfillment, and there's also a line. Okay, not like in the first cover page, no line. And then this is the list of the authors and also have the date. This again, this is the second cover page. There is also no page number. And then for the approval sheet, again, this one is the part of the preliminary pages, and the preliminary pages must be a Roman numeral page number. No page number in the second cover page. So for the approval sheet, which is also part of the preliminary pages, it must be a Roman numeral number 2. Okay, so this is the double I. Next is triple I, which is the number 3 of the Roman numeral. Until the table of contents, list of figure, list of tables. Okay, so this is the last part of the preliminary pages, the list of the tables, page number 8. So now, for the chapters, it must be Arabic numeral. And every page, there must no page number. That is why there's no page number here. So the page number 1 is hidden. So it must be page number 2 in the second part of the chapters. Same thing for the chapter 2. Since this is the first part of the chapter, there must be no page number. This is page 14. This is page 15, hidden, and this is page 16. Same thing in the chapter 3. As we can observe here in the page number, chapter 3, there is no page number. Okay, it is hidden. Since this is page 23, this is page 24, and then this is page 25 until page 41. Okay, so I hope that you have learned. Just pause the video if you have some problems in remembering the steps. Then don't forget to take some notes so that you have a guide. So this is the proper way. I hope that you will submit this in Google Classroom. And one thing is, you need also to, after you have formatted these page numbers, you need to save this as a PDF file. You need to submit this one in the Google Classroom in one file only. Okay, And then if you have other clarifications or questions, please don't hesitate to chat in our group chat or comment down below in the YouTube in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.